Good day, everyone. Today we're going to discuss about Cartesian formulation. I am Vanessa Padron.
And I am Grace Peracho from Capital University, second year civil engineering student. A vector moment of 80 pound-inches is required to use the bolt of A. Determine the force B that must be applied perpendicular to the handle of the flex-handed ratchet wrench.
So the given is the applied moment is 80 pound-inches and the length component is the horizontal offset is 0.75 inch and the vertical is 10 sine 60 degrees.
So in this problem, we already know the moment. So we just need to work backwards. The moment is equal to the force multiplied by the perpendicular distance. In this case, we only need to worry about horizontal distance. So we will add up the lengths. So we will get 10 sine 60 degrees.
Now we can write an equation to the necessary moment value. I is equals to 0.75 plus 10 sine 60 degree and 80 equal force times 0.75 plus 10 sine 60 degree. When we solve it, we will get the following answer. So the following answer is force 80 divide 0.75 plus 10 sine 60 degree. And the total force is 8.5 pound. So this is the total answer.